Hi, my name is Katie and I am in my last semester of chiropractic school. This little video here is just kind of why I think Grip Approach is a great tool for students. So as somebody who's about to graduate, we have learned so many different tools and different treatment modalities that it can be kind of overwhelming, and it's kind of like, where do I go here? What is the best for patients? So it's really easy to feel kind of bogged down with all the information that we were given over the last few years. So I really needed something, a framework to really base my exam and treatment on, and I think Grip Approach is the best solution that I have found to that. So first you start with that functional range of motion exam that correlates to specific soft tissue points, and then those correlate to corrective exercises that can really get patients moving and feeling their best. I think the system is excellent, and so many people are able to then move on to foundational fitness and actually get into that strength training. They're able to do the things they love again, and they're able to do it mostly pain-free. I really have enjoyed learning this system so far, and I just really think it gives me that framework where I can have consistent and really good results, which is what we want at the end of the day. So I think it's such a great 3-step approach to making the most efficient and really beneficial treatment.